everyone. As today's topic says, that who is better, an employee or an employer? So both have their own importance in the working field, but according to me, employees are much better than employer because employer hires an employee to enhance the beauty of his company or any institution. So employers are not everywhere present. That's why they hire an employee so that they can handle the work there. So this shows that an employer hires an employee with the hope that they will enhance the beauty or they will work hard to take his firm or his industry much forward. So, and if we take example of any institution, the employees work hard, and if they don't do so, the employers have to face very badly. If we see in any industry or any company, and employees are much more concentrated and focused on their works. They always make sure that their employer not have to, their employer should not bend down before any person or any foreign investors. So this shows that an employee is much better than an employer. And the conclusion is that both the person have their own importance in working field, as I already said, but an employee is the person who does much better than employee to do anything much better than any field. So this should be the conclusion of my field. Thank you.
Good.
Good evening, everyone. I am Deepika Upadhyay, and our topic is who is more better, employer or employee. So, according to me, both are important, and both are important in their own field. Means employer or employers, both are important. But if the employer are active or do good command to employers, so employers do more and more work. If the employer is not good or not give a good command to employers, then employers are not do well. Like in school or in colleges, like I am also in school, I am a teacher, so we see that a principal who is active in school or a manager who is active in school, so the school runs very well. If principal gives good command, see everything is working properly or not, when exams come, so the all copies are checked or not, the RW is complete or not, the courses are complete or not. So the teacher or student do good. And on other hand, if you see the principal or the manager is not active, if the principal is not looking at the teachers that they do all things properly or not, so the teacher is also doing lazy in their work, they not complete their courses, not do the revision works, not check the copies. So if the employer are good, then the employees are also good in their field. My conclusion is that both are good in their own field.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vikas Kumar, and today's topic is who is better, employer and employee. I think both are dependent because we talk to in Indian context in an employer has a better because India has a most population, most high rate population and most high rate unemployment 7.4%, and we seen in India context in employer as better because so much. That's my conclusion.
Adriano. So today's debate topic is who is better than employee and employer. According to me, both are them work further their own work, and as an employee, we are depending somewhere where we work and how to complete a task. And as an employer, we find to customer increase the company's
Relax, relax. It is your first chance, I know. Relax.
as an employer is a rule on a employer is a rule on a employees, and they care about care about them, and they pay on them, and both of them work hard, and I think employer is the best, because if they not care about the duties of employees and their work, employees are employed to
They are not good.
they are not do good work. I think employees are best, but employer are better than employees, because if employer not work good, so how can employer do work? That's it.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Prashant Upadhyay. Today's topic was who was better, employer or employee. So, as everyone said, they both are better in their own ways. There's a line also. Every coin has two sides. Everyone is better somehow and bad in some ways. So, if you're talking about employer or employee, they both are lacking in some ways or they are good in some ways. So according to me, employers are somehow better than employees, because employees is a person who guides you in everything. If I am hiring my employee, I will definitely know that my company should lead this and this, and I am good enough in that already field. So I will hire an employee and I will guide him to what he should do, how he should do, how to cope with situations, how to deal with this, how to talk with persons, how to sell this product, or the other things. So, employer is one who guides you in everything, who teaches you some new things every day. I know the employees who are coming to the job under any employer, they also know about the things or the products of the companies that I am going to work there. So, I may also know about these things that it should be like this, it should be like that. But definitely, the employers knows much better than the employees, because he is hiring someone. So, employers will always guide you, and according to me, the conclusion is everyone is better in their own fields, as Thomas said, but every coin has two sides. So, employers may also have some declines in their in ways, but employers guides you, and a leader who guides you, who teaches you something, is always better than the person who learns. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. I am Arpita Patil, and today my topic is who is the most important, employer or employees? According to me, both are important, but in present scenario, if we can see, if employers are not best in their work, so employees are also be lazy and not doing their work properly. If I am talking about some private school or government school, in private school, employers are also strict about their work. They also guiding, and they also nazar rakhna.
Keep an
They also every time keep on an eye on their employees also. So they work properly. They keep attention on their work. But if I am talking about any government school, I am not talking about all the government school. If some government school, there are employees are also be careless about their work. They don't want to care about their staff, and they also talking with their staff. Please don't go to your class. Leave your class. Now leave your class because students are also क्या बोलेंगे पढ़ने में अच्छे
We are not good at study.
Students are not, also not good at the study, so leave your class and sit here and enjoy your day, enjoy your coffee and tea. So my conclusion is no. So according to me, when employers are best, I think employees are also best and do their work properly. But if and now my conclusion is. Now my conclusion is both are important, employer or employees also. If employer are strict and care about their work, employees are also doing their work. But if employees are not there and employees are only strict, but employees they don't want to do their work properly, there are no need of employer. So according to my conclusion is both are best in their role.